Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create kind of jetpack feature for your game when character goes up while you're holding down your finger. Let's quickly set up our scene. First I add a planet for our character to start from. Then I add a box collider 2D to it, which will act as solid surface. Edit it a bit like so. Next game object will be our spaceman. Position him at the middle. Set order and layer to 5, so it appears in front of the planet. Drag and drop fire sprite into spaceman, so fire becomes a child of it. Here it is. Bring it down a bit. Order and layer will be 5 as well. Okay, our spaceman needs a couple of components. First will be box collider 2D to interact with the planet. And the second one will be rigid body 2D that will help us to give the spaceman an acceleration. Gravity scale will be 3, so the spaceman falls a bit faster. Collision detection will be set to continuous, so collisions with the planet will be more accurate. Now let's animate the fire a little. Select it, go to animation window and click create new animation. Create new folder for animation, enter it and save this new animation as fire animation. Hit record button, slide timeline marker by 10, set scale of the fire to 0.8. Slide marker by 10, set scale back to 1. Slide marker by 10, set scale to 0.8. Slide marker last time and set scale back to 1. Here we have simple animation. Let's speed it up a bit by setting number of samples to 120. There we go. Turn off recording. Back to game view. Almost done. All we need now is a script to control our spaceman. Here is the script named Jetpack. Here we have rigid body reference, a variable accidentally named as jump force, which hold amount of acceleration. Engine is on boolean variable that helps to turn engine on and off. And here is a reference to fire game object that will be disabled and enabled when we need it. In start method we set engine is on to false, disable fire game object and get rigid body component. Update method. If the touch event occurs and touch phase equals to begin, which means that we put the finger on the screen, then engine is on is set to true and fire game object is set to active state. And if during this touch event touch phase becomes equal to ended, which means that we take the finger off the screen, then engine is on is set to false and fire is turned off as well. And in fixed update method we actually give acceleration to our spaceman according to engine is on value. If it's true, then force is applied to rigid body in up direction equals to jump force value. If engine is on is false, then force equals to 0. Pretty simple. Drag and drop this script to spaceman, select spaceman game object, and last thing to do now is to drag and drop fire game object into fire slot of Jetpack script component. That's it. This is how it works on my Android device. Finger down, spaceman goes up. Finger up, spaceman goes down. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.